All right, welcome back on my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. Today's video, I want to show you guys my S&P 500 uh, long-term trading account. I don't know what you can call it, but it's a long-term trading account. And I enter exit. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I was up about $2,000 and I withdrew 1,000. So today's video, I just want to show you guys the account and break it down of why I'm still holding it and what happened. All right. So let's go straight to the charts. As of right now, I am up in profit, running profit, 1,500 after equity and commission, everything swap, $85, a hefty fee. But yeah, so basically I'm up 1,500. My entry point, I only look on the daily. If you guys see my other video, how I enter is that I literally only enter exit this trade 5 days a week, and then at 3:03 p.m. I set an alarm on my phone. Every time it hits that, I just go look at my phone, look at the candle, see if it broke any strong support resistance or previous low high or previous candle, which I mix and match all those stuff together and see if I want to stay in or not. But as you can see here, so on September 15th, right when it hit 3:03 p.m. Pacific time, strong candle closed above. I was already out of this trade. And then I was already out of this trade. But then boom, that strong candle closed. I should have waited for it to close above this, the wick right here. It would have saved me a lot of this. It would have been better if I entered on this one, of course. But, you know, whatever happened, it happened. But, yeah, right when it closed, strong like that, I'm okay. It's up and down, up and down. Just basic Forex or trading in general. Right, up, down, high, low, basically. The S&P 500, what I love about it is that it's always going to go up. So I never do sales on S&P 500 because even if I'm wrong, I just need to be patient and it'll always come back, okay? As long as you have enough money in your account, it will always come back and hit take profit because it's the S&P 500, always going up. So that's why I only do buys. I don't want to put sales on it. Like if I do short-term trading, yes, I do sales, but as of right now, I will never do a sell S&P 500 anymore because I'm just trading long term with it. So you can see here, right? I entered wrong. It was down. I was probably down about $1,000 or so here. Yeah, about $1,000, and then 1,000 to 2,000. Let me see here. Let's see is it accurate here. So 21.49. Yeah, so I was about down about the same amount right here that I'm in profit now. But like I said, what I love about this strategy is that as long as you're patient, if you have enough capital, you can keep re-entering. For example, if I wanted to, we're gonna drop down here, and price came and broke this wick right here again. Just enter again, and I would have been up probably another grand right here. But the thing is, this is a strategy that, yes, of course, short term so far has been doing great. But if the market does crash, it could wipe out your account. So right now, I'm doing a lot of back testing and looking for not just the technical sides of S&P 500, but the fundamentals. For example, what companies are doing and how the economy of the U.S. is doing. That's what really moves S&P 500. So I need to do a lot more research on that and not just basing it off of candles because S&P 500 moves according to the companies of the top 500, right? Of course. So I need to go back and do research, see what makes it move and what companies and what affects it the most. But as of right now, price came back up. How many days here? Like basically a month, close to half a month. I was in negative, but I wasn't worried because, like I said, is S&P 500 is gonna go up as long as you have enough money. It's always gonna go back up. So yeah, it went back up. Now I'm profit 1,500. If you guys remember this account, I've only deposited $4,000. I already took out $1,000 to just pay myself $1,000. So now, if I still kept my $1,000 in, my equity will be 9,000, and I basically doubled up my S&P 500 account with the least amount of work ever of trading my whole life. The reason being, like I said, I don't want to put too much money in this because if the market does crash, it's obviously gonna wipe out my account. So, like I said, I need to go back and do more research on the fundamental side and see, research more when it's gonna crash. If you guys have been following Zillow, I mean, I don't know if that's gonna be like a market crash or, of course, not the only thing that makes it a market crash. There's a lot of variables to it. but then they sold, or they stopped buying houses or something like that. I forgot exactly the term for it, but they sold off a lot of their houses, and a lot of people are questioning, oh, is the housing bubble coming, or is it gonna market crash, all that stuff. So right now I'm at the all-time high of S&P 500. When do I know to exit? When price shows that, for example, right here, I could exit anytime I want because I'm be in profit. But I'm looking for it to break a strong candle. This one, like these, never broke a strong candle. Right? Strong candle meaning there's a big body, little wicks. I consider this a strong candle. Doji, strong candle, nothing. This is a strong candle going down because it's a big body and going down, but then I wouldn't exit because it didn't even break this. So I only exit in profit after it breaks a strong candle or support area. For me, I usually just look at the previous couple candles, and if I'm in good profit, like for example right here, I can exit. So with this strategy, no matter what, I'm already in profit because I already took out $1,000. The only time I will not be in profit right now is the market crash and it takes on my whole account. But as of right now, I'm not going to add any more money to here. So no matter what with this strategy, I'm going to be positive. After this closes, I'm thinking about withdrawing probably 1,000 or two as well. I mean, I don't care. I'd rather just keep going up. And we are making history right now, being the S&P 500 all-time highs right now. So yeah, that's the strategy. I enter through here. And then whenever it breaks or closes below a strong candle, I'm just going to exit, take my profit, withdraw some money. If you guys saw my last video, I just withdrew $1,000 from my trading account. Yeah, but this strategy so far is great. I need to go back and do some more fundamentals, find out what news or what I need to study in order to find out that whenever the market crashes, what's causing it, or like what kind of influence. You can't really predict it 100%, but at least you can kind of get an idea of it. But yeah, this is my live account. I started at $4,000, equity at 8,000. I already withdrew 1,000. It looks great. This is the most drawdown I ever have with this strategy. I started in March of 2021. So I made basically $4,000 so far. And how many months? 7 months. It's not that much, $4,000 in 7 months, but this money, if you're not doing anything with your money and it's just in the bank, you might as well try to invest it in a more secure trading. So yeah. One more thing I wanted to show you guys was I'm also investing Sp500 for the long term, like for example, literally long term in Robinhood. And let me show you guys my Robinhood. I don't invest crazy into Robinhood because if you want to become wealthy, of course, long term, if you keep just putting money, if you guys seen the compounding effect over like 30, 40 years, you keep putting in money over time, 8%, 8 or 10%, it's going to accumulate to compound to over $1 million. But I'm going to be 65 or 60 by the time that happens. I want to enjoy money now. So that's why I'm taking more risk. But as right now, you guys see my account. Let me see if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm just investing some very safe stocks. My dad, when COVID was going on, he was like, you know what, son, put some money into Moderna and Pfizer for me. So Pfizer, he's up 91%. How much does it tell you guys? Oh, no, not Pfizer. Moderna, he's up 91%. Pfizer, he's up 5%. And that's the only two stocks he's ever bought in his whole life. My dad is a traditional guy, but the thing is that he's learning a lot, and he watches some YouTube too, so he just wanted to put some stocks in it, and it paid off very well. He's up basically close to 100% of his investment. I'm also invested in high dividend yield EFT for Vanguard. I'm up 6%. The symbol for it is VYM. These are very safe stocks. Long term, it's gonna make money, but I'm not gonna guarantee anything. Trade at your own risk. Vanguard appreciation, EFT. I'm up 8%, and then VGT, which is Vanguard Information Technology EFT. I'm up 16%, and then basically a real estate fund. I'm up 11%. So I'm just going to tell you guys the symbols very, very quick if you guys want to look into it, okay? So VNQ is real estate, and then VGT is technology, and then VIG is dividend appreciation, EFT, And then VYM is high dividend yield, EFT. So basically, all the highest dividend companies, they just come together to create like one stock. And then VOO is the Vanguard Sp500. And then I'm also invested in Bitcoin like $100 or $500 just for fun. And then Dogecoin also $500, but I'm down like right now on that account. I have $300, so I'm down $200. But one of my theories that I'm doing is that whenever there's a hype coin, for example, I think it's called Shibu or whatever, every time there's a hype, I want to put in $500, and whenever it doubles up to $500, then I'm just gonna take out the whole thing, and I'm just gonna keep doing that for the rest of my life. And because what I've noticed is that when everything that has been hyped, or not everything, but majority thing that has been hyped, if you enter it right when it starts to be hyped, usually it doubles, is what I've been seeing the pattern. So, of course, that's not a long-term strategy. It's just for fun. But yeah, like even Dogecoin, it doubled up, like not doubled up, but when it was like what, a cent or whatever. If you got it in and you got out 2 cents, whatever, you already doubled. Bitcoin, same thing. They're all the meme coins, NFTs, not NFTs. I still gotta research NFTs, but so far as right now, I haven't researched it enough to understand it. But I don't know how I feel about buying just digital pictures like that. But I still gotta look into that more. If you guys have any more information on that, drop it down below, or how much invested you guys are into that. But I have not looked into that yet. But yeah, that's about it for my S&P 500 and my Robinhood portfolio. I don't have much in there, but I'm thinking of like every time I get income, I'm put like 10% in there. Have you guys seen like how they teach you like whenever you get money, you deposit some for investing and some for emergency funds? I have not been implementing that, so I want to start putting about 10% into S&P 500, or if anything, every time I get income, put 10% S&P 500, 10% real estate, 10% and what is it, electronic funds and all that stuff. But yeah, that's something for the future to look for. But right now, like I said, I want to invest into high risk investments so I can become wealthy in a short period of time. Not short, but like 3, 5, 10 years. Not wait till I'm 60 to enjoy my life. So I want to be able to make a good amount of money right now, accumulate a good amount of wealth to invest, venture into real estate and whatnot. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys all for watching. That's a little off topic, but that's like the long-term view of what I want to do once I accumulate a little bit more wealth. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below if you guys have any questions. And I'll see you guys next time.